ain't see nobody else but you, ho. I don't need nobody, all I need is dough.
Okay, so we're going to courts right now, guys. Oh shit. Tell her what's up, Jason.
You don't know how to use that shit.
Tell her what's up.
You can't say that.
I'll bleep it out. So say what's up, Jason. Tell her. Benson, say what's up, Benson.
What's good in the hood?
Right now, we're picking up the homie Orlando.
It's young Lando, aka the V Lando.
V Lando.
We about to head to the
Courts.
battleground.
Like Schmitz, nigga.
Don't like that, Milton.
Damn, Milton.
Like that.
Don't.
He said that to you, young blood.
Nah, that's all good. You don't know what happens when I talk. Look at this nigga. Look at that look. Wait, that's the look of a
What you gotta say about these niggas?
I'm the only black nigga here.
Oh, where you go?
Peace, Orlando, Florida. Damn.
Oh shit! I'm sorry. Oh, damn. Hey, close. Oh shit.
Fuck. Oh fuck.
Deuces. Some niggas. Damn. Don't hit me straight in my eye.
Checking out my story. My head.
It smells like.
Nigga, it smells like shit and it smells like disappointment up in this
No,
bitch.
bitch. It smells like Speed Stick Spring Waters.
Can you fucking put down your stinky ass arms, nigga?
Like shit, nigga. That's what I've been telling this nigga.
You're talking about my Speed.
Nigga is about to pass out. Look at that nigga.
Oh, I'm sorry. Alright, I'll leave it.
It's currently Tuesday. I'm out here hanging with the Brodies. We're on our way to get some food, right?
Yeah. Okay. So I was staring at the wall, trying to make it talk. Maybe I should take a couple spins in the block, telling me to suck a cock. Baby, go ahead and take the pop. I'm about to go ahead and get a shish kebab. Hey.
Boy got heat, boy. He said shish kebab. Alright, fuck out of here. Try that shit, nigga. Try it! This is Julian, guys. He's one of my friends from our vlogs.
Oh, is this some of your vlog?
Yeah.
Oh, hello. You know, today is what? The 27th of June?
I think so. I have no idea.
Actually,
Actually,
some fucking dank ass pizza. You already fucking know what's up.
This is straight from fucking Beijing, China.
damn, that dang.
Experimenting, boy.
Damn, he's selling good dabs. So where are we going, guys?
Another mission. You already
We're
know.
going to the shelter!
Damn. So currently, guys, we're at the animal shelter where all the cool, cute little animals are. Look at the little cute bunny. That isn't the cutest thing I've ever seen. Jason, why'd you get close to him? I wanted him to play with the box. So cute. Look at, oh my god, that is the cutest thing. That warms my heart. You could be a father, Jason.
I already am a father.
Who's the video content? Julian, you could be a father too. I mean, look at him. He loves you. I think he loves you more than he loves Jason. What was your gorgeous, boy? Come on, baby. Oh, what was you wildin'? Oh my god, he's so focused on the thing. Look at it. He's so focused on it. Look at beautiful. Whoa. Hi, little buddy. Bubbles, do you like this camera? Do you like the camera, buddy? There's a leg, dog. Oh, he has.
I knew he was hiding his other
You're
leg.
such a little rascal.
Milton, stop fucking.
And we just left. We out ya.
Pushing your own fucking face.
No, because I'm ugly. I have a sleepy eye. But I was to say, what's up? Shut the fuck up, nigga. With that bullshit. Right, Milton?
Of course.
Exactly, nigga. That's how I tell him.
Tell him.
Dad, can you open the door?
Can you fucking child? You're lucky I didn't fucking abort you when I had the chance.
Are you okay? Currently we about to go to Jason's house. You know, bull it, straight up, cool it, fool it. Woo! Woo! and then we're probably gonna play some video games, and then we're gonna go to play soccer. It's gonna be a pretty good day. Fuck you guys, because you guys are ignoring me.
Shut the fuck up.
Wait, let me see. Hey, shut up. Alright, nice dodge. I give that to you. I give that to you. Dab me up. Fuck up, I'll beat your ass right now, bitch. Shut your ass up. Shut your ass up right now. Say sorry, Dad.
Sorry, Dad.
Okay.
Fuck it.
Shut your ass up, nigga. Say sorry, Dad, right now. Say sorry, Dad. Say sorry, Dad.
Sorry, Dad.
Say that again.
Sorry.
Alright then. Milton, you killed this job, boy. Oh, hit it the little mill. That's just called the little mill. Milton, when you are done pooping, Milton, can Milton, when you are done pooping, go to Jason's room and pick up the trash on the floorboard because you were eating the pizza. Milton, are you okay? Nigga, that just sounds like you've been holding that joke for a week. Alright, Milton, show these ninjas. What? Hit him with it. Hit him with it. Milton! Right fucking here.
Get this.
I'm gonna have a motherfucking picnic right here. And trip off the A, if you know what I'm saying. We finna dip. We finna dip to course right now. I don't give a fuck if anybody's watching me. Why are you so fucking slow? Hi, Schmetzen.
Yo, is it the first day? I thought yesterday was the first day.
Nah, it's been like, what, the 5th day, bruh?
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
I just think about it, but I don't know. I ain't seen nobody else but you, ho. I don't need nobody, all I need is dough. Gotta move on, gotta let go.
What the fuck is going on? We're currently on our way to fucking courts right now. We're trying to fucking make it, but we're late. Pumping out some balls, you feel me? Oh, bad.
Piece of shit. You always call me.
Who the fuck is boring? You're boring as fuck. All you do is fucking spark and just sit on the couch and not do shit.
What the
Nigga,
fuck?
I make music, I play soccer,
Damn.
What's the latest song you
drums,
released?
bass, I do
Damn.
I do hella shit. All you do is fucking spend money on fucking pack, nigga. You're $75 a week like shit.
Damn.
We're straight.
Oh wait, it's for the summer and you have nothing else to do.
I have another job. It's quite alright.
So you can buy more pack and waste your money on pointless ass fucking concerts. $200 for fucking gorillas.
God damn it, this shit. Fuck you!
What the
It's
fuck?
fucking my opinion, alright, you piece of shit. You have yours and I have mine. So why the fuck do you
Why
matter?
the fuck would you
Go
want to
suck a dick, you fake ass Brazilian.
Up close when you can see Kendrick Lamar from far away. $200 fucking dollars.
Go buy your ticket.
You're
Go
such a
buy
waste
your
of
own
fucking
ticket.
money.
Fuck you.
God damn it.
No, fuck Green Day's gay ass fucking eyeliner wearing
Yeah, fuck
ass
you.
bitch.
Damn.
A bunch of people use that. A bunch of artists use eyeliner. Freddie Mercury
Wait,
used
can I
eyeliner.
say the F word?
Yeah.
Eyeliner, nigga.
Damn.
Yo, fuck gay. They can't read.
Damn,
Waste
nigga.
of fucking space.
I'm bleeping that. I have to bleep that for sure.
How do you like your...
G-Man, let's just buy the Jose Cuervo.
Can you get some chorizo though?
G-Man, let's just buy the Jose Cuervo.
Like your meats medium rare?
G-Man, let's just buy that big ass bottle of Jose Cuervo we have with
You
milk
really
tea.
want to get drunk.
It's like now I'm playing.
So this crew,
But are you going?
if you guys don't know,
Wait, but
crew, all they do is just smoke weed and drink alcohol.
I used to be a drug addict though. G-Man got caught. Okay, now tell me. Keep going. Who's in that crew that you just mentioned?
This guy, And on my 5, I would put porn on it and go in the shower and it would always get wet.
I'm so putting this joint on the fucking vlog.
I on this joint and I went to the shower and it never died.
Exactly.
The whole thing was
That's
wet.
what I'm saying. So you're straight.
So I
Don't
was
even worry
like-
about it. Don't even worry about it. You're straight.
Wait,
That's why-
redo it.
That's what I do.
If I have the joint, but I get wet, you know, on the side.
Wait, how did she go though? How did she go?
So the first thing she did was like get on her knees and said, "Puppy, let me get all of it."
Puppy, let me get all of it. Puppy, let me get all of it.
It's like,
Damn.
but yeah.
No wonder she's a veteran. Oh my god.